Hey, how are you all? This is Craig Mad Hatter Barber. I'm just coming at you with another box opening review. Hope you've had been good, whatever you've been up to. I hope you're keeping all the clients happy. Hope you've been doing some good haircuts, good styles, whatever you've been doing, competitions. I'm not much of a competition person, but I hope you're all having fun in whatever you're doing. Alright, anyway, this is a box opening of the Wahl Professional Pro Lithium Series Berets. I just got these today. They cost me $140 Australian dollars. I'm not sure how much they are in other countries, but yeah, let's open them up. Anyway, this is the what they look like. There's the box there. There we go. Let's have a little read, hey? Since 1919, our experts have engineered a powerful line of clippers and trimmers masterfully crafted to bring modern technology right to your salon. At Wahl, we believe that every stylist deserves a tool that is as reliable as it is inspiring. Tested for quality and precision, we promise you unparalleled results. Let's hope so. So it says here on the front, it takes 60 minutes to charge them, has a 75-minute run time. They're made in the USA. They can be either cord or cordless, so you can use them either way. And they have a detachable blade. So the blade here is detachable. Also says Pro Lithium Series. Lithium technology, 2 times longer battery life. On the side, it says here, in the box it comes with the trimmer, the red blade guard, some oil, a cleaning brush, charging transformer, charge stand, 4 plastic attachment combs. On the back, it says about the beret, up to 75 minutes continuous cordless cutting when fully charged, only 1 hour required to fully charge battery, high precision, quick detach chrome plated blades, super slim, super quiet and light in weight, ideal for close trimming and outlining, compact charge stand, ideal for any workstation, designed for the busy stylist or barber. And I'm a barber. Let's just fix this camera up a bit. I use my phone camera, the front-facing phone camera. I don't use any fancy cameras. I think this is fancy enough, this front-facing camera on my phone. Alright, let's open these up. Apparently they run a rotary engine in these, and apparently it only weighs about 130 grams. So I'll just open these up. Doesn't want to open. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's get these out of the box. In the box is warranty, manufacturer's warranty, a booklet on how to do. There we are there, showing everything that's in there and how to do things with it, like just charge Here's the attachments. Okay, so it comes with 4 attachments apparently. So yes, here they are. Alright, so we've got oil and a little cleaning brush. So there they are. I never really use it. I never really use them. Then we've got a one blade, attachment, which is 3mm, and then we've got a number 2, which is 6mm, and then we've got a number 3, which is 10mm, and a number 4 attachment, which is 13mm. So there's the number 4. And a number 3. Number 2. And number 1. There we go. Alright, so we've got our charging dock. There's where the charging cord goes into. There's the inside of the charging dock. Has a little Wahl emblem on the front there. There's no light indicator on the dock itself. There's the cord. Apparently the cord is around 2 meters long, so if you want to use it corded, 2 meters is okay. I think 2.5 meters would be better, but 2 meters is fine. So, and then this just plugs in nice and simple into the back there, as you can see. Let's take this off. Alright, plug that in there, turn it on. Okay, and here we go. Here they are. I'll come with a red blade protector on it as well. And here they are. There we go. There's the front, the back of them. Side. There's the on-off switch, and there's the blades. So apparently there's a 4.04 mil that's showing on the blade for cutting. So the blades aren't exactly wide, they're about 28 millimeters wide apparently. So here's another cordless detailer here to compare them to. So they're not quite as wide as you can see. There's these T cordless here. And I've also got these detailers as well, so you can see the difference in width. So quite a big difference in width difference in these T-blades. But let's turn them on, see if we've got any battery charge. Oh, one sec. Just take that off. The tape there. Oh, they've got no charge. Well, so anyway, there we go. So a light just came on. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. See the light to show that they're charging. I guess the light will probably go off possibly, or change colour when they're fully charged up. They don't have a plug in when you charge, they just sit in there, and both that port there and those just touch each other, and the light goes on to show that it's charging up. See if I can turn them on like this. There we go. So they don't sound like, actually sound quite quiet, but once they're fully charged I'll be able to see what they sound like when they're fully charged, compared to these detailers. Let's have a look. So that's the detailers, and this is the Berets. So they're quite quiet, a lot quieter than these guys. Anyway, that is the box opening of the Wahl Pro Lithium Series Berets. I'll give them a use for a good few days, see how they go. I reckon they get pretty close, and they reckon they're good for lining and zeroing, and and fading out and getting really close to the skin. So anyway, I hope I haven't wasted my money, but it's trial and error, I guess, as well as all these things. Anyway, have a nice, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I will get back to you about anything, barbering that is, all these products. Happy to have a chat about them. Anyway, yeah, keep on barbering for life. Alright, this is Craig, Mad Hatter Barber. See you all later.